Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share to you all about bears join forces to pressure Bitcoin price below $2,200 support. So before that, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bitcoin has entered a fresh decline as it weakens against the US dollar. Bears have forced Bitcoin's price below the $2,200 support level. If Bitcoin fails to invite a recovery wave above the $20,000 level, then its downtrend will likely continue. Bitcoin has started a fresh decline below the $22,000 support against the US dollar. The market leader is facing a lot of bearish pressure which may extend its losses below $20,000, $20,000 and $500,000. Bitcoin price entered into a decline after it failed to clear the $24,000 resistance zone. This resulted in a consistent decline below the $23,000 and $23,000 level. Bears joined forces to build their collective strength for a move below the $20,000 support level and the 100-hourly simple moving average. Finally, the price of Bitcoin traded below the $2,100 support level and even bravely spiked below $20,000. A low has formed near $20,000 and Bitcoin price is now consolidating losses. Hourly chart for Bitcoin USDT surge CoinMarketCap. Looking at the upside potential for Bitcoin, its price could face resistance near $20,000, which is near the 50% Fibonacci retracement level of the latest decline from the $20 swing high to the $20,000 low. The next key resistance is near the $22,000 zone. However, there is a minor bearish trend line forming with resistance near $21,000. On the hourly chart of Bitcoin USD, this trend line is near the 76% Fibonacci retracement level of the recent decline that saw Bitcoin's price drop from the $22,000 swing high to a swing low at $20,000. If Bitcoin fails to initiate a recovery above the $20,000 level, then its downtrend will likely continue. Immediate support on the downside is near the $20,000 mark. So maybe just this, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. See you.